This is one of the latest from Alpha, an AW-US-036 NHA 802.11 BGN adapter. All Alpha products from SimpleWiFi.com come straight from Alpha. You can see it just by looking at the sticker on every box. The NHA is based on the Altharios chipset and goes up to 150 megabits per second on the 802.11n standard, doing 2.4 gigahertz. Inside, you'll find everything that comes straight from Alpha. The first thing is a Palm device. This is the actual receiver which finds Wi-Fi signals and increases your range of connectivity. The NHA has an N right on the front and is coated in a black paint. You can also see all the specs right on the back. Next is a USB cable which connects from your USB adapter to your computer on the USB port. The utility driver from Alpha includes advanced tools and tutorials on how to get it installed and play with your maximum potential. The stock 5 dBi omnidirectional antenna connects to your SMA connector on a USB Palm device. Make sure that when you connect to the antenna is pointing vertical at all times. Next, you provide power to the USB receiver through the USB cables. The small end goes in the adapter and the big one onto your PC or laptop. Next, we'll be covering how you can increase the range of your USB adapter by adding on larger antennas. First, we'll look at the 7 dBi directional mini panel, which works much like a flashlight and focuses the reception of your antenna in the direction you point it. Next is a 7 dBi omnidirectional antenna, which receives signals in a 360-degree cone, much like a light bulb. For even more range, the 9 dBi omnidirectional antenna finds signals in a 360-degree cone, 2 to 3 times further than a 7 dBi. For more information, visit www.simplewifi.com.